Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I know I like to make videos that actually help people, and I ran into this issue with a drum set. Today we're talking about a drum set. We're actually going to specifically be talking about the hi-hat and on this TD-25 Roland drum set, electric drum set. Now the problem that I actually have with this drum set is that this here, it's working fine right now. But when it came out of the box, what it actually ended up doing was it double hi-hatted. I don't know how to explain that, but you would press it and it would go like by itself, or whenever you hit it, it would hit it twice on itself. So the reason for that was because it wasn't calibrated. Now I don't know if they tell you that in the manual. I don't even remember. I got this a long time ago. But you're supposed to calibrate it. I don't know why it doesn't come pre-calibrated, but it is what it is. So I'm going to show you that today on how to actually calibrate this thing. So we're going to go ahead and zoom into the brain here, the module, and I'll show you how to get into the calibration menu and what you actually have to do to this thing to get it right. So, okay guys, I hope you guys can hear me. We're here at the panel, and here's your hi-hat. First thing that you're going to do is actually get this loosened up, okay? This has to be literally loose. You cannot tighten that. The next thing you have to do is you have to get to the calibration menu, which we're going to go zoom in here, see if it actually autofocuses. There's going to be buttons here, and then there's going to be an enter button here. All right, let's zoom in. And you're going to click on the menu button first, and then it's going to say setup. Now we're going to go down, which is down arrow, up arrow. We're going to go down to where it says hi-hat settings, and then we're going to click that kick button, which is also the enter button that we noticed earlier. Enter. And then this is the calibration area for the hi-hat. What you have to do here is you have to make sure that that middle area is aligned with the two arrows on the sides. And here's the way that you do that, which they don't explain to you when you first buy this thing, is you have to take this ring here, and you got to twist it either this way or this way depending on the calibration. So I'm actually going to twist it this way, and I'll show you what it does. So I twisted it a little bit up or down. Hold on, let me see. I'll twist it this way pretty significantly. And as you can see, it's actually lower than what the arrows are. So now for mine, since I was twisting it to the left, now we're going to twist it to the right so it goes up. And this is, again, with this being loose, okay? So we're going to twist it to the right. And try to get that aligned back with the arrows so the arrows can highlight. You just go little by little until both arrows are aligned. Oh, almost there. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. And a little bit more. After every time that you move it, make sure you take your hand off of it so you can see it on its own. Because with your hand on it, it's going to have more weight. All right, I think a little bit more. I think we might have it. Hey, it's on its own now. Okay, so there's one more step that you need to do. You have to tighten this part here. Now I couldn't do that while I was holding the camera with one hand, because you have to go ahead and push down on the pedal however far you want it to go, and then you have to tighten it while making sure that that is calibrated. So we're gonna push down on the pedal as far as I want it to go, which I don't want it to go very far actually, and then we're going to tighten that. And that's pretty much it. It should work perfectly fine now. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helped you, and I'll see you on the next one.